Hello everyone, on this video I'm gonna talk of a case study of Relief Maker on jewelry design. So without further ado, let's check it out. The software that we're talking about is Relief Maker. Previously I made a video on how to use it to make jewelry. So this software again is made by the guys of Libre and is compatible with a big plethora of softwares: ZBrush, Fusion, Unreal Engine, Rhino, Blender, you name it, right? Currently, they're still having a promo of $3.99, a forever license, which is amazing. I love forever licenses. I don't like to pay membership. So the piece that I'm going to show you was a collaboration that I did with my friends of Catherine Stewart and Ben Stewart from Silver Bonsai. Check it out. These guys have amazing pieces. Look at this ring. Amazing, huh? And the style that they use most of the time is hand engraved. They also do casting, but they do hand engraving, right? They hired me a while ago to do a take of one of their pieces. Oh, wow, look at this. Amazing pieces. Anyways, they hired me to do a take out in one of their pieces. And the piece that I'm talking about is this one on ZBrush. So for all the people that is not into jewelry design or jewelry manufacture, yeah, this piece, it's a big piece. It's roughly, I made the numbers off camera. I'm not that smart. So this piece is 114 grams on silver. And while it resembles some of their style, let me see here. Yeah, Catherine has a lot of very cool designs, but yeah. While the piece resembles some of the styles, it does has a lot of technicalities, right? The front is very nice, but we have a lot of little parts that will be very hard to cast and or to clean. So at first we had the idea to cast it from the back, but cleaning all these will be like near to impossible. Just keep in mind that the size of this piece will be 33 millimeters, so maybe like this big, give or take. So it's big, but will be very hard to polish, right? And also very hard to cast for all the angles. So what I did is that I decided to take this piece into Relief Maker. So let's do it together. So Relief Maker now it's on the version 1.1, which has some tune-up, clean-up features and exports things a little bit different. But overall, it's the same software, amazing software. So what I did is that I exported my ZBrush file as a OBJ, open it on Bas-Relief, on Relief Maker, sorry. And now that I have it here, I'm leaving my settings almost as default. The only stuff that I changed for me was large and my focal length, that's a personal choice. I like to go 85. Now my resolution, I went 2024 by the same 2024. And now I just have to frame my mesh, generate relief. There you go. So now I have to go, I'm leaving it as it because I already made this behind camera, right? So I just go to save as, sorry, export relief, mermaid relief. Keep in mind that the software open a 80 megabytes file in like no time, right? So okay, anyways, we're gonna export our file as a mermaid relief maker, and we're gonna bring it back to ZBrush. So this software does one task, but does an amazing job. Because now with these settings, well, we're gonna check it on ZBrush. So check it out. This is the original 3D model, and this is the one from Relief Maker. Amazing. I have a lot of depth. I can see like a lot of depth on the breast. I haven't lost any detail. So the only thing is that the model came like, let me see, let me make double topology. Yeah, there you go. Like this, right? So what I did is that to me, I just press close holes. Close holes, if I recall correctly, will be under geometry. I I don't remember exactly where it was. Sorry guys. I already have my menus all set up, right? So from time to time I just forget what it was. But anyways, so what I did is that I just press close holes and it gave me this topology, right? So like, okay, well, this is a nice topology. If I want, I can just send it for casting like as ed, right? But to me, I wanted to take it a step farther. So to me, I wanted to clean all these. So what I did is that I just went with my mask tool and start selecting all the areas that I wanted to cut out. Obviously here I'm doing a quick and dirty, right? So I select all these ones, give or take, right? So this is a clean version. So I took my time, I select all these, and then I went to extract. And I just press extract. It gave me this kind of mesh. It's hard to see, but I press accept, and it gave me another mesh, which will be this one. I'm gonna put both together to see, easier to see. So now that I have this secondary mesh, I took my mesh and I move it, drag it back. You see all the way back because I wanted to make a cutter. So with my cutter, I just selected this part. I'm sorry. Perfect. I selected this part and then I just press live boolean and you can see the cut that it's doing, right? So now that it's ready to go, I just have to go here, geometry, live boolean, subtool, sorry. Boolean, make boolean mesh, and it will give me this mesh. So you see pretty much what it is, just from Relief Maker to ZBrush and use little tune-up. I haven't had to sculpt nothing, and I already have all this beautiful depth and detail. So up to here, I decided, okay, I like this mesh, but I'm gonna clean all these. I just don't want that on casting. Also, I don't want to clean that on wax, right? That's gonna take me forever to clean on wax. And these edges, I want in bevel. So, and also I figured, well, actually, let's check it out. After cleaning my mesh and what have you, look the difference from Relief Maker to mine, to the final. Sorry, to this one. You know, it's like near identical. That was just because of the remeshing and projections on ZBrush, but truly, like, sorry, without masking. This one is just ready to go. But to me, what I did is that after cleaning, I took my time and I cleaned all these edges, and I decided to do some texture on the background. Here, I punched some of the detail, just personal choice, and I went lower subdivision, and I moved my mesh, tweak my mesh a little bit more. You know, it's like something like this, just to give ever so slightly more volume, but the majority was already done by the software. This took me like a minute. And lastly, I took this file, I closed my holes, and my original piece, which was this one, was on silver weight will be 61 grams. No, sorry. Spoiler alert. 114 grams. So 120 for simplicity, right? So I took from 120 grams of silver, a very complicated piece to cast with a lots of ups and downs and sharp corners, and impossible to clean, because look, how are you gonna clean this one? Actually, let's check this out. Let's go to transform, draft angle. So look at all these draft. So yeah, for casting maybe, sorry, for 3D printing maybe, but if you will never be able to mold this. It's just it will never come out of all these, right? Anyways, from this piece, we went to the final. Let's put them side by side, actually. And now this one is half the weight, 61 grams of silver, so 2 ounces. Flat texture. This one you just have to put a sprue, I don't know, let's say I would put it here maybe, or maybe even here on the thicker part. Yeah, it will be somewhere on her breast. And casted, one cast, easier to clean, no undercuts. All the textures that were in the original file are shown here. So I'm saving on metal, just on metal alone, near to 50% of the metal. So I went from, what did I say, 100, I have them here, from 114 to 61. And let's compare the 3 of them. Let's check it out. You see the original piece, how it came from Bas-Relief. And the version that I tweak it. And, you know, to be honest, like from here to here is pretty much the cutout, close my holes, and send it for casting. So there you go, guys. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Please go and check it out. Please go and talk to my friends from Modern Heirloom, Silver Bonsai. They are located in the States in a main island. Phenomenal people. And please also check Relief Maker. They still having the 25% discount. Grab it before they change. I don't know for how long it's gonna be. So I will go and grab it. So yeah. There you go. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Cheers.